Yesterday, I started the motor a couple times just to do a cold start to make sure everything was set in right and so it would work. And this was my last test before I took it off my engine run stand that I used to borrow from a buddy. And this run stand worked just great. It was just totally perfect. Anyway, when I started it yesterday, it just made a hell of a racket. I thought the rod bearing was going. I thought the motor was almost going to come apart, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. Well, when I took the transmission off of it today, I went to notice that, this flywheel had come loose. And I remember now when I put it all together, just to run it, to put it on the engine run stand, I didn't lighten down the flywheel bolts very tight. Well, now they're loose. Then this has come loose, and that's what was making all the noise. So the motor's fine, just a bad installation by me. But now I'm going to crane it off this engine hoist and get it back to my buddy.